Here we are with the 1991 Goldwing, and the bike would cut out when you shake it. So if you're going around a pothole and you try to do an aggressive maneuver back and forth, it would cut out. And you have to reset the key and it would start. So I told me right away, oh yeah, it's a tilt sensor or a crash sensor or something. So after doing some research on the internet, it's this stupid thing here. You hear the ball bearing in it. So anyway, it sits on the newer ones, apparently, according to the internet. Well, I don't know, 89 or 90 or something on. It sits right here on the right side. The older ones, it was on the left. So the older ones, from what I read, you can jump the wires and it's good, but Honda's bypassed it with putting it on the right. They put an extra wire and stuff like that. Some guy's saying you could drill a hole in it. Well, there's a recall. So what I did was get my serial number and called in, and sure enough, I get a free one. So just got to take it in and exchange it, because the bike's already apart and they don't care. I mean, they could probably take it apart and do it themselves if they want, but I don't care. So I'll just take it in. So if you have any issues with the bike cutting out, then you can reset the key and it starts fine, and then you shake it again and it cuts out, and that's what it is on a 91. Well, this one's 91. Anyway, on the 1500 Goldwing. How's that? Until next time.